Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset Laosge Wi-Fi Range Extender in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the reset process. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Laosge Extender. It is necessary to reset the Laosge Wi-Fi Range Extender to remove old settings or fix connection issues. Resetting helps start fresh if you forgot the password or changed your main Wi-Fi network. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Laosge Extender. It is necessary to reset the Laosge Wi-Fi Range Extender to remove old settings or fix connection issues. Resetting helps start fresh if you forgot the password or changed your main Wi-Fi network. Look for a small hole labeled Reset on the side or bottom of the extender. It is recessed to prevent accidental presses. Insert a paper clip or pin into the reset hole. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds continuously. While holding, watch the LED indicators. After 10 to 15 seconds, the LED lights will start blinking or turn off briefly. This indicates the extender is now resetting. Release the reset button immediately once the blinking starts. The extender will automatically reboot. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. When done, the LED lights will stabilize again. The extender is now restored to factory default settings. Any previous Wi-Fi names, passwords, or custom settings are erased. You can now set up the extender again using the WPS button or the web browser setup method. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.